Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you how to make this button buzzer. I haven't uploaded code yet. I'm going to pull this apart and I'm going to make it again in this video with you, and I'm going to show you how to make this in your home yourself. It's like a buzzer, just press it, it's fun. I haven't connected anything right now. Okay, so let's get right into the video. Okay, so for this project, you're gonna need a breadboard and this Arduino Uno, which you can get in Amazon, almost anywhere. And if you want whole kit of this to make like things like this, and you want a robot, and so I think I will be uploading in the next video or so. You can buy the Robo India kit of this. I'll leave the link down in the description. It's on Amazon. You can even maybe find it on other websites. I haven't checked. I'll be leaving the Amazon link in the description below. So for this, you need an Arduino. Also, by the way, with this Arduino, when you buy this, you're gonna need a wire which fits, which is like this wire. It's like a USB to this funny thing here. It connects to this big hole here with which you can upload the code. You put it in here, you put this in your laptop, you upload the code, then you pull this out. Oh, yes. Ah! Okay, so you're gonna need a lot of strength for that because mine was slow, but still it's jamming a lot. Then you put a power source from this, which I will be showing later. Then you can upload, you can just use the code. Okay, let's get it. For this video, you're gonna need 6 jumper wires. 6 jumper wires which are male to male. Male to male meaning this pointy spikes there. Pointy spikes. Okay, then you're gonna need a buzzer, which is a 5-volt buzzer. Then you're gonna need a button. Then you're gonna need one of these resistors. It's a 10k resistor. You might not see it. Okay. Oh, okay. Now the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna place your button like this. Your button on this line. You see the line here on the breadboard? You're gonna place it in between from the lines to the other wires. Like half to that side, half to this side. Then you're gonna take 2 wires. I'm gonna take the orange and red. Okay, that's the color code for now. I'm gonna keep the connections in the screen so that you don't have to pay more attention in the connections, and it's very blurry in my videos. Okay, the orange is in the V5 and the red is in this ground. You must always keep the ground, GND, it's ground, and V5 equals to 5 volt or VCC. If there's a VCC, you have to connect to V5. Ground is to ground always, and ground is minus, VCC is plus. Okay, then you have kept your button. I'm gonna move it a little bit here. Then you take your 10k resistor, bend it like this a little on the sides, bend it, make it like that. Then you put your buttons this side on, this side's bottom leg. You put it from this bottom leg to the plus, yes, plus or minus. It was plus, I think. Yes, you take from the, oh, it's minus actually. It's from minus. Okay, you take the volt from minus, you put it in the buttons legs, then you got something like this. It's like a button. The power goes in the button. Then you take a output wire, you put it in the other side. The yellow wire is the output of some sort. Then you put it in the plus, just like that. The button is ready. But there's nothing the button can power. So we're gonna need this not a resistor, the buzzer. You're gonna put it here. Look, buzzer's long legs are the plus one. Always the long leg is a plus and the short leg is a minus. And you got something like this. I don't know what that is. It just is remove. I won't remove. I'm gonna put the plus in my right side, or I don't know, it's left or something. I'm gonna put it here. Then I'm gonna take this plus output, even the minus output. I'm gonna keep it here. Oh my god, it's slow down. Okay. I'm gonna take the plus output to where's it going? Plus output to the pin number 3. It's like a squiggly line 3. It's over back, all the back here. Back here, pin number 3 and 2. Then I'm gonna take this brown color one, and this brown color one, minus 1, it's going to go to this minus here, and it's gonna work now. This buzzer. There's still one thing missing, and that is we're gonna have to take the resistor one step back. If you have put it there, you're gonna take it one step back here. Now, if you don't know how the connections work in breadboard, I'm gonna tell you right now. This plus and minus at both ends, they go horizontally, and the ones here, they go vertically up and down. But they close at this line. Yeah, they go up and down here. They go up and down here. They go straight. So we have to put it like this, one step, and this where's it gone? The other one. Yes, we're gonna have to connect it here, button to the button. Then from the button, we're gonna have to connect it to the pin number 2. Okay, pin number 2. Now it looks like a mess, a junk. It looks like a lot of junk stuffed in something. It looks like it wouldn't work. But you gotta wait right now. And right now, if you try to join the power source center, I'm gonna show a power source to you right now. This is my power source, and I don't think this is gonna work because my battery, I've been using it a lot on my robots. It won't work, so I'm gonna use my other power source. But in the set, Robonia set, you're gonna get something like this, a battery holder. You won't get the batteries, you're gonna get a battery holder with a wire connected like this. You have to connect the wire here. Oh, it works. The lights will start blinking. I don't think you see right now, but there are lights here. Lights are blinking, and those lights will make it work. Right now it's not working when I press the button because I haven't uploaded the code yet. So I'm gonna leave the code in the description below so you can use it yourself. You're gonna need a arduino file, exe file or something like that, which will help you upload the code. Then you can work it. So also I think you're gonna need a few libraries. No, well, I'm just joking. You don't need a libraries. I'm gonna leave the code directly. You can copy paste, put in your Arduino app, or like setup application in the laptop. Then you connect. You pull this out right now. No. You use this. What? Okay. You use this. You connect it to your laptop, and you connect this one to here. It'll start going. Don't worry. Just connect it. Just verify first. There's a button called, there's a tick button on top left corner, tick button, verify. Then click the next button, which is called upload. Then it will be uploaded here. It will like reset here. And by the way, don't press this button here, red button. It will reset. Actually, it will just turn off the blinking lights and again turn it on. Then it will start working. And press the button. So for now, we're gonna go in and we're going to be uploading the code for our button buzzer. Okay, so we're in my laptop, not computer, and it looks like I'm a bit sleepy and I just woke up, but it's not like that. I just didn't wash my hair today. So we're gonna go to the Arduino application. It's, I don't know what to call it. I'm gonna call it application. And here's the code. This code I wrote. I have copied a little. wrote. Okay, it's actually LD1, but I changed the password. This code, you're gonna connect your the wire. I just told you this wire. You're gonna connect it to a device. First, connect it to your Arduino. Arduino is this thing, a magic buzzer button. Connect it, then take the other end, connect it to any of the USB ports on your device, not device, laptop or computer. Then it will start glowing. Don't worry. Just click the verify button first. This button is the verify button. It's gonna do the things. Compiling sketch. Then it's gonna say done compiling or something. Yes. Then you click this button called upload. Uploading. Then it's done uploading. Now it's just blinked a little bit and it's working, kind of working. Now you can just press this button. I hope you can hear it, but it's kind of sharp, high pitched. I don't know if you can hear it. I'm gonna press this. Hello. Okay, so you can hear it. So now this recording software. Kind of small. Yeah, it's got a small voice, but it still works. Okay, it works. Why my face just freeze? My face just freeze. Hold on. Okay, by the way, I'm gonna just end my video here. I hope you liked this, and this buzzer is really cool. Yes, so now you can just pull this port out, just upload it. Now you can just close it. You can just pull the port out, connect the battery, and just press the button for this buzzer. Like the pressing one first. I don't know why my face froze, but I hope it doesn't. What the? Okay, I'm just gonna end my video here. Be sure to subscribe, like, like and subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Bye. Okay. By the way, this is the how it looks at the end, because I'm showing you this because my video, I thought it was a little glitchy, but it never stopped glitching and just looked like you would never see anything how to make it, and just my voice was clear. So I have made this, and I hope this one is not glitchy. I'm gonna show it there. You can see there. You can just pause the video and make the connections yourself. And also, by the way, the glitchy video, I'm gonna leave the connections, what wire goes to which one in the glitchy videos side. I'm gonna write it there on the screen. It will be written there. You can see, you can screenshot it, you can see it and pause it and look at this and make it yourself. So I think this is how much of a view you need. Okay, this much view is okay. So I think I'm gonna say bye now, the correct bye. See you next time. I've already said that, but again, see you next time.